And once, okay, and go ahead.
I never would have thought that these two speeches were related. And it's weird now looking at the lines, seeing how, like, she's basically, like, saying the exact same thing, but the opposite.
Yeah, I think, like, the contrast is really helpful to see character development, just because, like, usually we get this sort of one-dimensional perspective of the person in every scene. You know, Lady Macbeth is evil here and, you know, regretful here, but here we can really see, you know, the dimensions over time, sort of her changing as the course of the play goes on.
It's also helpful to see like what's going on in her head, because a lot of that's like one big thing you try and find out when you're looking at a character, but when you compare her speeches you can kind of figure out how she thinks.
You can also see how she kind of gets caught up in it all as well, because in the first speech, she's I guess most of it's mocking Macbeth and the happenings then, and saying that nothing is really matter. It's all easy. It doesn't really make a difference. And then clearly she's caught up in all the action by the next one as well.
Well, I liked doing the sort of the motion of the idea of like the surrounding stuff. Just because it gives more like of a clear idea of what's going on in her mind when she's saying this. I mean, by it being sort of personified by her conscious moving around her. Yeah, no, I like how that sort of brought out the idea that she's not just regretful that something bad happened, she's regretful that she was so, you know, caught up in it before.
Any final thoughts about that?
You got to give Shakespeare more credit after an exercise like this, because he's not only creating characters, but he's creating people with more than one dimension. Lady Macbeth is not only this evil creep that wants to kill Duncan, but she's also this person with the soft spot that is really
Like, constant.
she's got lady soft.
Nicely done, thank you.